Alright guys, Chris with Same Builds here. We got an R32 in, doing a bunch of fabrication work onto it. I notified the customer. This car does have an overboosting issue. As you can see, the wastegate is routed incorrectly. So I'm going to take you guys along on how I'm going to modify this. So now that I got the manifold off, which was a nightmare because it wouldn't come out, I had to cut this whatever you want to call it off, which is just exhaust tubing. I'm going to clean all this up, got to cut this off, clean everything up so that we can weld a new correct flange on there. We're all done here. I'm just going to show you how I did it. To save some of the purge, so you don't have to purge the whole manifold because you're only welding this section, you could just put a bunch of foil in there to prevent the argon from moving anywhere else, but kind of the collector area. But as you can see, we're completely welded, real nice. I'm happy with the way it came out, even though inside the manifold is pretty dirty. You can see we got full penetration. So yeah, this piece isn't going anywhere. It'll last a long time. But yeah, if you guys like these videos, we're going to do a lot more of them. I mean, I get a lot of these type of jobs, ton of different fabrication jobs, Supra, the hood exit I just finished. I appreciate you guys watching this. If you have any questions, go ahead, just message me, put in the comments if you need any help welding or any tips. I appreciate you guys watching, and thank you.
The real dawn when you see one sipping on booze in the house of blues. I'm going back to Cali.